Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can activate 9089 theme on Facebook Messenger. So before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you simply need to do is to open Play Store and you need to search for Messenger. Click on that and you need to update Messenger application. As you can see, my Messenger is up to date. Then you simply need to open Messenger and you simply need to select any conversation. So I'm going to select this one and click on this icon on the top right. Here you need to click on theme and on the top you can see 9089 theme. Click on that and then you simply need to select. So now you can see that 9089 theme is activated on Facebook Messenger. So this is the process. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.